Alright guys, so this video will help you to solve all Windows Media Player issues or error problem in Windows 11 or 10. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the search bar and search for the settings. After that, you need to go to the system and then scroll it down until you find optional features. Alright. Now into the search bar, you need to search for Windows Media Player. Here it is. Now you need to tap on this little arrow button and then simply tap on the remove button. Alright, it will take some time to remove the media player. So take your time, and as you can see, it has been removed. Now all you're going to do is simply go to the view features option on the above side. And then from here you need to search again for the Windows Media Player like this one. Then you need to select this one, go with the next button, and then simply tap on the add button, and it will start adding the media player again to your computer. It will install it from the internet. So this is the simplest way to fix all the issues that you are getting from Windows Media Player. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.